This is a Level 2 Sound Studies presentation about the internal chemistry of hair. Introducing the polypeptide chains. Within the hair cortex there are a number of polypeptide chains that run along the length of the hair. Polypeptide chains are spiral shaped. The spiral shape is called an alpha helix. In this diagram we see three polypeptide chains. Each one is an alpha helix. The polypeptide chains have bonds that join them to other polypeptide chains. These bonds include salt bonds, disulfide bonds, and hydrogen bonds. This diagram shows the salt bonds, disulfide bonds, and hydrogen bonds between the polypeptide chains. Some of the cross-links are temporary whilst others are permanent. A permanent cross-link cannot be broken by water or through the act of shampooing, whereas temporary cross-links can be broken by the water and the action of shampooing. Breaking the temporary cross-linkages enables the hair to be set so that it becomes either curlier or straighter. Hydrogen bonds are one of the temporary cross-links between the polypeptide chains that enable us to set or fix hair into shape. The hydrogen bonds join to the neighbouring polypeptide chain or link within the same polypeptide chain between the coils of the alpha helix. Here we see in this diagram the hydrogen bonds linking between the polypeptide chains and between the chains themselves. In this diagram we see a hydrogen bond within one polypeptide chain. We call this alpha keratin. Before the hair is shampooed, the hydrogen bonds hold the polypeptide chains close together. Hair in this natural unstretched state is called alpha keratin. Beta keratin. Once the hair has been stretched, fully dried and allowed to cool into the new shape, the hair is said to be in beta keratin. In this state, the hydrogen bonds are reformed. Breaking the hydrogen bonds. Once the hair has been shampooed, many of the hydrogen bonds are broken. This allows the hair to be stretched around a roller or a brush if you were blow drying. Styling the hair. The hair will stay in this new beta keratin shape until the hair is made wet or it absorbs moisture from the atmosphere. Notice how sets and blow dries drop very quickly on rainy days. So when styling hair, remember, the hair must be fully dried and allowed to cool before brushing and styling. Because if the hair is still warm, some of the new shape may be lost during brushing or finishing. And styling products and finishing products will help to protect the hair from humidity, so this prolongs the life of the style. This is the end of this presentation on the internal chemical structure of the hair. Thank you for listening.